Yo, what's up guys? I want to share with you about this portable power station that I just got because you might want to have one of these as well. Okay, so the reason I got this one is power interruptions are common here in our place and I cannot afford my internet modem Wi-Fi router go shut off. So I'll just transfer the plug here so that I can still have my internet running. Okay, imagine that you can carry with you power that you can directly plug in your appliance here. For me, most of the time is my laptop, okay? Or other appliance you have there that you need to power on if there's no power. And you also have USB ports here that you can use to power up USB lights or charge my gimbal or gadgets you have, my phone and my drone. I can charge them here. It can charge my phone up to 15 plus times. It depends on what phone you have. 5 watts LED light, it can power that one for 40 hours. So, and it's lightweight. So there are a lot of brands out there that you can see if you try to search for a portable power station. But this Jackery brand is one of the things that they recommend. So that's why I got this one. Jackery didn't pay me anything to promote their product. I paid this with my own money. So I just wanted to know that I'm like, yeah, I'm just trying out. And by looking at this, the build, it's tough and I think it's going to be good. Okay, let's go ahead and I'll try to show you some of the features that we can do with this Jackery power station. First up, we're going to see here is the display. So if you want to check the charge of this Jackery, then you press this button, then it will show you how much charge it has. Then another indicator, if you are charging this Jackery, then you can plug your charger here. The blue light will come up and you can see the charge coming in here at 38 watts, the wattage. I'll just unplug this one. It's charging at a rate of 36 watts. So that's pretty cool. I can remove this one. This Jackery comes with the charger and it also comes with a car charger. So this is the port for a charger and then you can also plug it like that. Okay, if you want to charge something on the USB ports, you can plug that and you need to press this button because it is a switch to activate these ports. So these the other thing that I like about the Jackery, it has switch in each port. So it's basically going to charge my Xeon Crane M2. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and unplug this one, turn that off. Another thing here is the AC output. We're going to try this with my laptop. Okay, so that's my laptop charger here. And then let's try to check how many power this is how much power this is going to eat up. Okay, and of course it's not charging yet because I need to press this button to turn on this port. So I'll press that and there you go. Okay, there's a fan that turned on and we should be able to see here the power that is being dissipated while my charger, my laptop here is charging. Okay, so that's very cool. Another one here that we have, so I'll turn that off. Another one that we have is a 12-volt supply. So you need to have a port like this one. It is an output of 12 volts. So yeah, it's made of a hard plastic and it's very portable. The sides are good. We have exhaust here for heat dissipation. And it's very cool. I hope this video has been informative for you guys and I would like to thank you for viewing. If you are not yet subscribed, help me make a dream of 100,000 subscribers. See you in my next video. Goodbye.